Hey guys, I'm Jess, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a chatty get ready with me. As you can see, I've got nothing on my face. I'm going to do it with all my favourite really super duper affordable products that you can get here right in Australia. I think I'm going to actually focus more on products that you can actually get here in Australia, because I don't think enough beauty channels actually do that. And that's sad. Like, sure, they do affordable products, but I kind of think we need more that's actually done here in Australia. Like, we don't get Wet n Wild, we don't get NYC, we don't get a lot of new elf products, that kind of thing. So I'm going to do that. Let me know if you like that idea. Anywho, let's jump right on in because I am naked. So my eyebrow routine has been really easy lately, and I think they've been actually looking quite good. This is the Models Prefer eyebrow palette. I really like it. Originally $10, I got it for $5. I think you can still get it. Don't quote me on that. Just going to take the clear eyebrow wax just to chocolate brown shadow. And this is just an angled eyeliner brush by, I think, Models Prefer again. So how have you guys been? I'm doing a chatty get ready with me, if I have not said, because I kind of feel like I haven't done one of these in like a hot minute. Just kind of flick that up. I kind of like powders at the moment because like my brows get a little bit bold and slug-like if I use other products. And just build it up. It's a little bit warm, but with the two products that I'll go in next with, you think the 3 products is like a little bit too much, but because this is like a palette, it doesn't really seem that much, and it's just easy. I've been going in with the Brightest Way by Rimmel because it's a little bit lighter, and I like that it gives a little bit of dimension. Just set with the clear brow gel, styling gel. The Essence Camouflage Concealer. I have been loving this concealer. I'm not doing anything too crazy today because I'm going to the doctor's. I have to get a blood test. Friday I had to go to the hospital just to get checked over because my calcium levels went too high. I decided to reduce my levels, sorry, my medication, and now I have to get checked over for my blood test. Using this palette. Setting it with a cream matte. Look at this booger that's right there though. I'm got my brother-in-law coming over for dinner later. Just trying to define my crease a little bit with, so I use that colour to set my lid and then that colour in the crease. This is just like my quick and everyday kind of look. Apart from that, I've just been on Instagram. What did I do over the weekend? Saturday was really hot. I almost like died. It was like 41 degrees C, so friggin' hot. Just gonna take I think this week we have to see Star Wars because I've been sick. I haven't been able to catch up on any of the new movie releases. And I've just been at home looking after my animals. Oh, there's a cafe that we're going to go to because I'm going to vlog it. I think it's South African food and I've never tried before, so that should be interesting. Alrighty, and then for the lid I'm just going to take back cover. I'm going to get into filming some reviews of swatches, etc. because I've got a backlog of palettes. I've got a Jeffree Star one, like the first one. I know it's old, but I want to do like my take on it. I've got a couple of Chichi products. That under my lower lash line. Then I'll move on to mascara. I went to Kmart yesterday and picked this one up from BYS. That wand looks terrifying. Just a little bit. Actually, not a, but I'll start again. That's actually not a bad little mascara, that one. BYS Pure Silk Foundation and my Australis buffing brush. I've already primed and ready to go. What have you guys been up to? Are you on holidays at the moment, or have you gone back to work? I'm currently still on holidays until the 16th, and then I go back to work, and then school starts. So if my eye goes cross-eyed, it's because I'm not wearing glasses. That's what that is. I never know how much to do of this with the little dropper. And then for concealer, I just blend the under eye with my finger. To set with, I'm just using the Essence Stay All Day translucent setting powder. Just where I get oily. It's a really old one of mine. It's the Physicians Formula New York bronzer. For blush, I'm using this really pretty colour my models prefer, and it's called Plum. Highlight, excuse the mess of it, but it's my favourite at the moment, the W7 Strobe Time palette, highlighting palette. Setting spray, my absolute favourite is the Fifth Avenue one from Kmart. It's only $8. So you guys, this is the finished look. For lips, I used my favourite. I've been obsessed with this ever since I got it from Kmart again. And it's the BYS Velvet Lipstick in Wicked Plum. So thank you so much for watching my everyday get ready with me chatty style video on the cheapest makeup that I love from Australia. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe to a small YouTuber. Bye.